Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. Today, we've made it to day number 191 of the Smiley Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting a offer on a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. All right, so we're seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right, so please go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started versus where we are right now. So we finally made it to day number 191. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. All right. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Now, what separates the two is going to determine on how many accounts that you have. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secrets, they allow you to have multiple accounts. So you can literally sign up for an account and use your own affiliate link to sign up underneath your own account, and you stack those accounts on top of each other. Okay. So go back and watch those previous videos, guys. I kind of go into detail on how to do that, but it's very easy to do. And pretty much you just, like I said, sign up for an account and then use this affiliate link, sign out and use this affiliate link to put in your browser. And then you sign up underneath your own account using a different email address. All right. Super easy. Now, just a little bit about My Legion Secrets. Like I said, there's a email platform. You're going to be able to send out one email every 24 hours. Okay, so that's another thing with My Legion Secret. You can get in front of people every single day. All right. Now, another thing, guys, this is business opportunity traffic. So these people that are coming on to your list, these people care about making money online. Okay, so it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and grab offers that are related to making money. We simply go to the mailing system, we create an email, and we insert our affiliate link in that email, and we click send, and then our prospects look at our email, read it, and then sign up with our programs that we put in front of them. Okay. Now, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service, guys. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. The only thing is that this traffic it is cold traffic. So these people do need to get warmed up to what we are promoting. Okay. And then once they get warmed up to our emails and, start seeing our emails on, quite often, they will start to subscribe to our emails, and then also they will purchase the programs that we put in front of them. Okay, so that's very important, that we come in every day and we send out emails every single day. All right, so with my 8 accounts, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. I do like sending out my emails at night. It just works best for me, anywhere from 9 p.m. all the way up to midnight. I like to have my emails in at least before midnight. Okay. So you don't have to do that. You can send your emails in the morning, if you want, or in the afternoon, however you want to do it. Just night works best for me. Okay. Now, there's going to be two ways to make money with My Legion Secret. One is you can literally come in here and just promote My Legion Secret, right? You can create an email, insert your affiliate link, which is right here. Put that into the email and then click send. They do also have some pre-written email swipes. If you click on affiliates on promo tools and you come down here, there's going to be about 10 already ready to go emails that you can send out, okay, to this list. Okay, so you can pretty much pick one of these emails or start at number one and just go all the way down to 10. Okay, and then just keep doing that same thing over and over and over again, and you will start to get traffic and get sales from just promoting My Legion Secret. So what you would do is you would just grab this email right here, click on import it. What it's going to do is it's going to import it into the mailing system. You come down here, you select all the emails that you want to use. Okay, and then you want to come down here, and as you can see, it already populates a subject line for you, and it already pre-populates a email. Okay, now if you come down here, just look at the email, make sure everything looks good, and then down here we have our affiliate link that's ready to go. So all we have to do is come down here, click on perfect timing. Okay, and then we want to let's get rid of this, and then we want to click send. Okay, which is going to be right here. Now, when that email goes out, our prospects are going to look at this email. They're going to read it. And if it's for them, they're going to click on this link. And this link is going to take them to our landing page. And our landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So all we have to do is just pretty much get our prospect to the landing page. And then, the rest is history. Okay. And what we do is just like I said, we do that over and over and over again until we start getting sales from My Legion Secret, right? And you're not going to be able to see these buttons because I already sent out my email already today. So I'm not going to be able to come back here till tomorrow around the same time to send out another email. Okay. So that's one way that you can make money with the My Legion Secret. Okay. The second way is going to be using an affiliate network such as ClickBank. They have Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. There's tons of different offers, CPA networks that you can join, and you can use those business opportunity offers from those networks. Okay. So, for the sake of this video, we are using ClickBank, and I would recommend starting with ClickBank. And the reason is because the offers, the traffic from My Legion Secret respond very well to the offers on ClickBank. All right. So, it's going to be by far the easiest to get started with ClickBank. If you go to clickbank.com, you can get started and have an account in about 5 minutes, right? And be ready to go and start using those offers right away. Okay. So those are going to be the two ways to make money with the two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret traffic. Okay. Now there's going to be three different ways to send out an email. Okay. What you're going to do right here in the mailing system. So one way is going to be able to just create an email. Okay. So you can literally come to the mailing system and then you can just create an email right here, yada, yada. And then you can come down here to the subject line. You can just remove this and then you can start, create an email, right? Of course in black, right? And then you click send, you insert your affiliate link and click send. Okay, that's going to be one way that you can send out an email in the mailing system. The second way is going to be using an email AI service or chat GPT or some kind of email writer where you can basically go and create your own emails and have it design you an email based on the offer that you're promoting. Okay, that's going to be one way that's going to be the second way to send out an email. The third way is using the pre-written email swipes that come with the offer on ClickBank. All right. And that's what I would recommend to you guys is using those free pre-written email swipes. Just use those swipes first, guys. There's about 4 different offers on ClickBank that you can use. And they all have about 20 different pre-written email swipes. Okay. So you can use those 20, keep using them for a couple months, few months, and then you can start repurposing those same emails, okay, to make them just look a little bit different by using AI, right? So that's what I would recommend you guys doing, and that's the way that I did it. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. All right. Now, ClickBank is an affiliate network where you can go and you can promote other people's offers. Okay. And that's exactly what we're doing. Today is November the 4th. And if you come down here, it is November the 4th. That way, you notice it's not no fake screenshot or anything like that. These are the results. I do like doing the last 30 days of results. That way, you guys can see the algorithm and what it looks like. Okay. So the sales have been pretty consistent. As you can see, here we missed a couple of days. We've been getting sales back to back, missing a day back to back. We missed a couple of days right here, but we came back, and got them back to back. Missed a day back to back. And as you see, it's just the same little algorithm here. But as you can see, we did get a stretch. Excuse me. Grab a drink of water. We did. We did get a sale right here. We came back and we got 4 sales in a row, which was pretty cool. We did miss a day, But then we came back and we got another 4 sales in a row, which is we got a sale today, which is really good. So as you can see, guys, the algorithm has been pretty consistent, and this is what it would look like for you months between months 3 and 6. Okay. So if you guys send out emails and you stick with it, months 3 and 6, things should start taking off for you. And that's when I kind of noticed when I first started a few years ago when it took off for me. Okay. Month 5 is when it kind of took off for me. Okay. I mean, I was getting sales here and there, but once things start to get consistent and they start to go up, where I was getting sales every single day from an offer, that's when things took off for me. Okay. Now, this account that I'm making for you guys, this is a brand new account, and I started over with an offer with my accounts from My Legion Secret, and I started from scratch, starting from day one with these offers. Okay. So now you guys can see in real time what it would look like if you guys would just start from scratch with an offer that you have not been promoting, right? So this offer I have not been promoting. So I just started fresh from month number 1 all the way up to month number 6, and this is what it looks like. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that this traffic, at first they pay every Friday. Okay. So I got paid last Friday. I'm getting paid this Friday again. And the cool thing about these results, guys, these results are coming in and month out, right? So this is not some, okay, I did good this time and I'm not doing good the next time. You set it up one time and it keeps paying you over and over and over again. Okay. So that's why I love this method, because once this thing gets cranking, these sales are going to come in and they're just not going to stop, right? So, if you come in every day and you send out your emails every single day, you will see results. Okay, that's just what I'm trying to tell you guys. All right. So, things have been looking pretty good on the algorithm. Let me show you guys how to get started. If you guys come down here below this video, click on the More tab, click on this MLGS True Freedom link. It's going to take you over here to the landing page. Come down here, excuse me. And if you come down here, you want to see where it says Join MLGS Now. Click on Join MLGS Now. Pay your $60. There's a one-time charge of $30 to keep the service, which is a no-brainer. And then what that does for you is basically it allows you to gain subscribers every single day, and every single month you'll have thousands of subscribers coming in, and you get to keep those subscribers as long as you stick with the service. Okay. Me, I've been with them over a few years, maybe 3.5 years going on now. And I have thousands and thousands of subscribers in my accounts. Okay. So I can, go promote whatever offers to this traffic, and it will, I can get eyeballs on whatever it is I want to promote, as long as it's, a business opportunity offer. Okay. So that's how you get started, guys. If you come down here, you can kind of see some of the testimonials. These are just other people that are making money with the system. These people that are promoting Warrior Plus products. There's just a lot of people making money with this thing, guys. I'm not the only one making money. So don't take my word for it. You've seen it first, guys. See the testimonials. You see the income that I'm making. Go ahead and just join now. Okay. Comment below. Let me know that you did join. Okay. Send me the email that you joined with. That way I can send you some bonus emails where you guys can get started pretty quickly and start earning pretty fast. Okay. So I just wanted to come in and shoot this video for you guys. Please hit this like button. Also click the share button and subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe to this channel. It helps this channel. Okay. It helps the algorithm. It helps get this information out to other people who are in need of making money. All right. So I sent out my emails today. I'm going to cut this video short. I don't want to go too long today. But just wanted to show you the results, what it looks like, and show you guys how to send out an email in the mailing system. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow, and I'll meet you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.